You're looking for an investment option that can create wealth and save tax as well. Equity-linked saving scheme is what you are looking for. Let us tell you why. Historically, we have seen that if we invest 1.5 lakh rupees every year for 15 years, it can value up to rupees 71.79 lakhs, a net benefit of 49.29 lakh rupees. Great, isn't it?
Even if the lowest returns were earned, still you would have gained 26.62 lakh rupees. Wonderful, isn't it?
The ELSS scheme has the potential to earn higher returns, and it is best suited to all investors. And it has a lock-in period of 3 years, even though it is advisable to stay invested for a longer period for better returns. Not just that, you can invest in ELSS by systematic investment plan too. And long-term capital gains from ELSS are tax-free up to a limit of rupees 1 lakh. Gains over 1 lakh attract a tax rate of just 10%. The most important of all, investment in ELSS is completely exempted up to 1.5 lakh rupees under ATC tax saving of 46,800 rupees. So what are you waiting for? Investment in mutual funds सही है और tax saving के लिए ELSS सही है.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully.